In this video I'm going to show you how it's made. A walking stick or a cane made from tree limbs. In the last video I made, I said you had to cut down the tree limb or a tree, whatever you use, and make sure that it's dry. Well, these limbs have been drying for a while. Some of these I've already finished. In the first video that I made, there were 3 tree limbs that I showed you were still drying. This is one of them that I have finished off since. It is now in my golf bag because I like it. And it is tall enough for me. But today I'm going to make this one similar to this one. These two here was also in that first video. These have been trimmed down, the bark taken off of them at different levels, some of them cleaned off more than others, to have different designs, to have different color variations. This is my workbench. I use different type of gloves depending on the project that I'm doing. Heavy duty gloves for the sawing and grinding, lighter gloves for the sanding, and just gloves that cover up my hands, work gloves, when I apply the polyurethane. I will pause this video momentarily and show you how I do it. In the last video I made, I told you that it's best to leave a little extra. As you can see right here, it cracked a little. So that way you have enough left over where you can trim it off. The same for the other side. Now what I need to do is grind down the knots and smoothen the edges, and I do that with a grinder.